Hello everyone and welcome back. We've got another question today, this time linear algebra. Find the equation of the straight line with the given points. Well, first of all, we've got a straight line. Let's think of what equation we could have for that straight line. We could use y equals mx plus c. That's a fairly nice one. There are a few different equations we could use, but let's just focus on this one for now. So here we've got y equals mx plus c. We've got m and c. These, I think we can find out using these points. So what coordinates do we have? We've got -1, -5, and we've also got -3, -7. Let's label these coordinates individually. So we've got x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. So the first unknown that we could find here is our m value. M is our gradient. And that is rise over run. And another way we can write that would be the difference in the y value, so y2 minus y1, over the run, which is the horizontal. So that's x2 minus x1. Now we just sub in our values. So y2, that's -7, minus y1, which is -5, all over x2, what's that? That's -3 minus x1, which is -1. So here we've got to be careful. We've got a lot of negative signs, so just be careful when we're working that out. This is -7 plus 5 over -3 plus 1. This makes it a lot easier to work out. Now we've got this in the bag. -7 plus 5, that's just -2. -3 plus 1, that's also -2. We've got a number divided by itself, that's going to equal 1. Fantastic, we've got our m value, so let's sub that into our equation. We've got y equals 1x plus c. Now you don't need to write the 1 there, but I thought I'd write it there just so that we can see we've got our m. Now the next thing we want to find is c. So if we know our x and our y, if we had values for x and y, we could sub them in and we could find our c value. Up here we've got two coordinates. We could choose either one, it doesn't matter, they both have an x and y. So let's just use our first point. So y, that's -5, let's sub that in. So sub -1, -5 to find c. So -5 equals 1 times -1, x is -1, plus c. So we've got -5 equals -1 plus c. Let's get rid of this -1 from the right-hand side. Let's add 1 to both sides. So that'll be -4 equals c. Okay, we've got our m value of 1. We've got our c value of -4. We can sub those into our equation. Y equals x minus 4. And this here is our answer. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.